Hello students, this video lecture is on the subject Information Theory and Coding, and in this class we are going to study about binary symmetric channel, its channel capacity and few problems related to binary symmetric channel. Binary symmetric channel is one of the most commonly and widely used channel whose channel diagram is as shown, that is, you'll have x1, x2 as the input, y1, y2 as the output, and the diagram is like this. P of x y1 by x1, that is this conditional probability, will be p bar, this will be p. Here P of y1 by x2 will be P of y2 by x1, that is this conditional probability, will be P bar. This is the transmitter end, this is the receiver end, and this is input 0, this is input 1. Okay, and you are going to have the output as binary 0, binary 1. Now we'll assume certain parameters and try to derive the channel capacity for binary symmetric channel. So let P of x1 be W and P of x2, which will be equal to 1 minus W, and we'll assume it as a W bar. Let small p be the probability of error. Okay, so P is the probability of error. Now we'll write the channel matrix for this particular channel diagram. So P of y by x will be equal to, you have two inputs and two outputs. So the channel matrix will be a 2 cross 2 matrix where you have input as x1, x2, y1, y2. So y1 by x1 is nothing but p bar, y2 by x2 is nothing but x1 is p of y1 by x2 is p, and p of y2 by x2 will be equal to p bar. So this is the channel matrix. Now if you see this channel matrix, it is symmetric. Okay, so this channel matrix, the channel matrix is symmetric because the row element of first matrix is same as the second row element but in different order. So the matrix is symmetric, and we know that for symmetric channel h of y by x is nothing but a constant value h, which is summation of j varying from 1 to 2 pj into log of 1 by pj. And what is this pj value here? We'll just try to substitute. It is nothing but p bar log 1 by p bar plus p into log 1 by p. So this is nothing but your channel matrix and its respective entropy. We'll find h of y. So to find h of y, we'll write the equation which is given by the formula h of y will be equal to summation j varying from 1 to 2 p of yj into log of 1 by p of yj. So this is by the definition. Now to find these output probabilities p of yj's, we need to write the joint probability matrix. So P of x comma y is nothing but P of y by x into P of x. So we'll just try to multiply the matrix now. So P of y by x is nothing but P bar, P and P bar from the channel diagram, and P of x1 we have assumed it as P of x is W and P of x2 is W bar. So we'll just try to multiply this. Finally we are going to get P bar W, PW, P W bar, P bar W bar as your joint probability matrix. So this is the joint probability matrix. Now, P of y1 and P of y2 is addition of columns. So, P of y1 is nothing but P bar W plus P into W bar, that is addition of first column. P of y2 is nothing but P into W plus P bar into W bar. Now, we know P of y1 and y2. Therefore, we can write H of y is equal to P bar W plus P W bar, this element, entire element, into log of 1 by P bar W plus P W bar plus P W plus P bar W bar into log of 1 by P W plus P bar W bar. We'll take this as equation number 2. So this is your H of Y for your binary symmetric channel. Now to find mutual information. So mutual information I of x comma y is given by the formula h of y minus h of y by x. So we'll substitute the respective equation 1 and 2 here. So we are going to get h of y, which is p bar w plus p w bar into log of 1 by p bar w plus p w bar plus Pw plus P bar W bar into log of 1 by Pw plus P bar W bar minus H of y is P bar log 1 by P bar plus P into log 1 by P. So we'll substitute equation 1 and 2 in this respective equation, and this you can take it as equation number 3, which is the mutual information for binary symmetric channel. So now for binary symmetric channel capacity C is given as log S minus H so much bits per second by the definition of symmetric channel. Now this log S, so S is equal to 2 for binary channel. So if you substitute here, we are going to get C is equal to 1 minus P bar into log of 1 by P bar plus P into log 1 by P, so much bits per second as the channel capacity for binary symmetric channel. Note, when W is equal to W bar is equal to half, equation 2, that is output entropy H of y will be equal to, we'll substitute W and W bar as half, so we are going to get it as half into P plus P bar into log of 1 by half into P plus P bar as the first P of y1 term, and the second term will be half into P plus P bar into log of 1 by half into P plus P bar. So after substitution, we know that P plus P bar is equal to 1. So this term P plus P bar will be equal to 1. This term will be equal to 1. This term will be equal to 1. This term will be equal to 1. So we are going to get it as equal to half into log 2 plus half into log 2, and h of y will be equal to 1. So now mutual information is I of x comma y, which is h of y minus h of y by x. So h of y we have got it as 1 minus h of y by x is a constant value for symmetric channel, which is equal to h. So it is equal to 1 minus h is nothing but p bar into log 1 by p bar, and p log 1 by p. So this mutual information I of x comma y is similar to the channel capacities. Hence, we can conclude that when input symbol becomes equiprobable, the mutual information maximizes and becomes equal to channel capacity. So this term, entire term, will be equal to channel capacity when the input symbols are equiprobable. Okay, when input symbols are equiprobable, we are going to get mutual information which is same as the channel capacity for your binary symmetric channel. Problems. A binary symmetric channel has the following noise matrix with source probabilities of P of x1 is 2 by 3, P of x2 is 1 by 3. Determine h of x, h of y, h of x comma y, h of y by x, h of I comma x by y. Find the channel capacity C, find the channel efficiency and redundancy. So the channel matrix here is given as P of y by x, which is equal to x1, x2 are the input, y1, y2 are the outputs, and the matrix elements are 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. So if you see this matrix, it is symmetric and it is binary because you have two inputs and two outputs. So it is a binary symmetric channel. What is given here is P of x1 is given as 2 by 3, P of x2 is given as 1 by 3, and we have assumed it as this will be equal to W, and P of x2 is nothing but W bar as per the notations for your binary symmetric channel. Now h of x is nothing but the input probability value, so it is nothing but summation of I varying from 1 to r P of xi into log of 1 by P of xi. So r is 2 here. We'll just substitute the values. So when you are going to substitute P of xi here, that is P of x1 and P of x2, it is 2 by 3 log 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 log 3. So h of x you are going to get after substitution as 0.9183 bits per symbol. So this is h of x. To find h of y, either we can use the formula which we have used by deriving the binary symmetric channel, or we can write the joint probability matrix, which is P of x comma y given by P of y by x into P of x. So P of y by matrix given is 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, and will multiply the first row with P of x1, which is given as 2 by 3 in the problem, and second row with P of x2, which is 1 by 3. So after multiplication, we are going to get a matrix which is equal to, we'll just multiply 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. The respective value will be 1 by 2. Second row, second element, you are going to get 1 by 4 into 2 by 3, will get it as 1 by 6. Then similarly, the next element 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, you are going to get it as 1 by 12. 3 by 4 into 1 by 3, you are going to get it as 1 by 4. So this is the joint probability matrix. Now by the property of joint probability matrix, addition of columns, you are going to get the output probability. So first column you are going to get P of x1, y1, second column you are going to get it as P of y2. So P of y1 we can write it as half plus 1 by 12. Okay, so that is addition of first column by the property. So it comes to around 7 by 12. Similarly, P of y2 is addition of second column 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4. It comes to around 5 by 12. So now you know what are the output probabilities. So we can write h of y is equal to summation j varying from 1 to 2 p of yj into log of 1 by p of yj. So just substitute this value, that is 7 by 12 log 12 by 7 plus 5 by 12 into log of 12 by 5. You are going to get h of y, which will be equal to, after substitution, it is equal to 0.9799 bits per symbol. So we will get h of y. Next, to find uh, h of y by x. So h of y by x for binary symmetric channel is a constant value h, which is given as p bar into log 1 by p bar plus p into log 1 by p. So we know what is p and p bar. So p bar is nothing but 3 by 4 into log 1 by 3 by 4 plus p is nothing but 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into log 1 by 1 by 4. So after substitution, we are going to get h of y by x, which will be equal to 0.8113 bits per symbol. So we'll get what is h of y by x. Next, to find the joint entropy, that is h of x comma y, we can use the relationship. So h of x comma y is nothing but h of x plus h of y by x. So we have got what is h of x, which is 0.9183. H of y by x is 0.8113. So h of x comma y will be equal to, after addition, 1.7296 bits per symbol. So we got what is h of x comma y. Next, to find h of x by y, we can use the relationship now. It is nothing but h of x comma y minus h of y. So we'll just substitute the value. So h of x comma y is 1.7296 and h of y, we have got it as 0.9799. So after substitution or after subtracting this, you are going to get h of x by y, which is equal to 0.7497. So much bits per symbol. So we have got what is h of x, what is h of y, h of x comma y, h of y by x, h of x by y, and all the entropies as per the given first part of the question. Second question in the given problem is to find the channel capacity. So channel capacity C is given as 1 minus H for binary symmetric channel. So H we have already got it in the question. It is equal to 1 minus H of Y by X. So just substitute here 1 minus H of Y by X, which is 0.8113. So C will be equal to 0.1887 bits per message symbol. So we got the channel capacity. Third part of the question is finding the channel efficiency. So channel efficiency by the definition is given as eta ch, which is I of x comma y divided by the channel capacity. Now to find I of x comma y, it is given as h of x minus h of x by y, or we can write it as h of y minus h of y by x. So any one formula you substitute the value. So we'll substitute for h of x. So 0.9183 minus h, which is x by y, which is 0.7497. So you'll get the mutual information as 0.1686 bits per symbol. So we have got I of x comma y. We know what is C here. So I of x comma y is known, C is known. So channel capacity eta CH will be equal to 0.1686 divided by 0.1887. So it is equal to 89.35%. Similarly, redundancy R eta CH will be equal to 1 minus eta CH. It is equal to, in terms of percentage, it is 10.65%. So we have got the channel efficiency and channel redundancy. Second problem, a binary channel has the following characteristics. P of y by x is given as 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. If the symbols are transmitted with probabilities 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 respectively, find the entropies h of x comma y, h of y by x. So here the given data is P of x1, that is input symbol probability, is given as 3 by 4, which we can take it as W. Then P of x2 is given as 1 by 4, which we can take it as 1 minus W or W bar. Next, by the definition of h of x, we can write it as summation I is equal to 1 to 2 p of xi into log of 1 by p of xi. So we'll substitute the value of I varying from 1 to 2. So we are going to get it as p of x1, which is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into log 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into log 4. So the entropy of input h of x after substitution will be 0.8113 bits per symbol. Next, if you see the channel matrix, it is a symmetric channel and it is binary. So we can write h of y by x equal to h, a constant value, which is equal to p bar into log 1 by p bar plus p into log 1 by p. So p and p bars are nothing but the elements of first row value. So we can substitute here. It will be equal to 2 by 3 into log of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into log 3. So after substitution, we can get h of y by x as 0.9183 bits per symbol. So this will be the h of y by x value. Now by the definition or using the relationship of joint entropy, we can write h of x comma y as h of x plus h of y by x. So after substitution, h of x is 0.8113 and h of y by x is 0.9183. So we are going to get this answer h of x comma y as 1.7296 bits per symbol.